Hi, I'm Mia Sin, the registered dietitian behind nutritionbymia.com. Losing weight can be difficult no matter what time of year. In the winter, however, it can be especially challenging from the fewer hours of daylight, colder weather, and not to mention the holidays. But fear not. With the Chomps Winter Weight Loss Plan, you have everything you need to get organized and motivated, including realistic tips, recipes, snacks, and a sample meal plan to help you get in shape this winter and feel your best. First, let's start with the 5 principles of the plan. The first principle of the Winter Weight Loss Plan is to build your meals around protein and fiber. Numerous studies have showcased the importance of protein when it comes to weight loss. It helps keep us satiated and adds staying power to meals and snacks. Protein is found in meat, fish, eggs, beans, legumes, nuts, seeds, and dairy products. For snacking, Chomps meat snacks are a great option that provide 9 to 10 grams of high-quality protein per stick from grass-fed and finished beef and venison and free-range, antibiotic-free turkey for only 60 to 100 calories. And don't forget to focus on fiber, which adds volume to meals without the calories. Fiber is found in fruits, veggies, whole grains, beans, and legumes. The second principle is to keep hydrated and hydrate smart. It's especially easy to skimp on water consumption in the winter. Research shows that dehydration can often be mistaken for hunger. Additionally, beverages like soda, fruit juice, and alcohol are among the top contributors of empty calories, meaning they provide energy, aka carbohydrates, but no significant nutrition. Stick to plain old water in your drinking glass this winter, or jazz it up with fresh fruit and herbs for an at-home spa water. The third principle is to simply cook more and eat out less. Studies show that meals prepared at home are almost always lower in total calories, fat, and sodium than meals prepared outside the home. Use this cold weather season as an excuse to stay home, learn new skills in the kitchen, and try out those recipes you've been saving. And the fourth principle is to have a stocked pantry with spices and herbs. Herbs and spices are great for weight loss because they add flavor to dishes for nearly 0 calories. Bring life to meals and snacks with flavorful additions like oregano, dill, cinnamon, and garlic, and you'll never eat a boring meal at home again. And the fifth principle is to keep moving. Don't let the cold weather deter you from moving your body. There are an array of at-home exercises you can do without fancy equipment, such as yoga and HIIT. Now that we know the principles of the Chomps Winter Weight Loss Plan, it's time to bring it all together with a sample day of eating. For breakfast, enjoy elevated avocado toast. Simply mash avocado onto a slice of whole grain sprouted bread, top with a fried egg for protein, and your favorite seasoning like crushed red pepper flakes or everything bagel seasoning. For lunch, try zucchini noodle bolognese. Start by lightly sauteing your zucchini noodles in a large skillet over medium-high heat until soft and transfer to a serving plate. Next, saute onion and garlic and add your lean ground turkey. Add your pasta sauce and spices and simmer on the stovetop for 10 minutes before serving over your zucchini noodles. For an afternoon snack, pair Chomps for protein and a piece of fruit for fiber. Chomps are available in 9 delicious flavors, including jalapeno turkey and Italian-style beef. They are the perfect high-quality on-the-go snack and are free from gluten, added sugar, and artificial ingredients. For dinner, try this winter sheet pan meal made with in-season produce. Simply add chopped sweet potato and Brussels sprouts to a lined or pre-greased baking sheet, spray with avocado oil, toss with your seasonings of choice, and bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until slightly crisp. Remove from the oven, make space for your chicken, add your seasonings, and bake for another 20 minutes or until the chicken is no longer pink in the center. For dessert, try these no added sugar peanut butter banana cookies. Combine a half cup of quick oats with 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, 1 banana, and an 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. Drop your batter onto a pre-greased or parchment paper lined baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until set. I hope you found these winter weight loss tips and recipes helpful. For more healthy tips, recipes, and meal ideas, be sure to subscribe to the Chomps channel. You can also grab Chomps at a store near you and check out the store locator in the description below. See you next time.